The 2025 Mercedes G-Class, an icon, evolves for off-road adventures. Get ready, adventure enthusiasts. The legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class is set to make a splash in 2025, and it's bringing an exciting blend of classic design, innovative technology, and off-road prowess that's sure to capture the hearts of wanderers. For decades, the G-Class, affectionately known as the G-Wagen, has embodied rugged luxury, making it a status symbol for explorers and city dwellers alike. But the 2025 model isn't just about preserving its iconic heritage, it's poised to redefine what it means to be an off-road adventure vehicle in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. So, buckle up and let's delve into everything we know and everything we're excited about. The G-Class legacy meets the electric age. Perhaps the most groundbreaking update is the introduction of the fully electric EQG. Mercedes is committed to sustainable luxury, and the EQG is a testament to this vision. Now, you can experience the thrilling capabilities of a G-Class while leaving a lighter footprint on the environment. Imagine exploring remote terrains and conquering challenging obstacles in near silence, with the only sound being the wind rushing past and the crunch of gravel under your tires. The EQG promises to deliver the instant torque and precision control that electric motors are known for. This translates into unparalleled responsiveness, making it a true force to be reckoned with when tackling steep inclines, rocky paths, and any off-road challenge you throw its way. Rugged, yet redefined. While the 2025 G-Class maintains its instantly recognizable boxy silhouette, it will sport a few subtle, yet impactful design refinements. Expect updates to the front grille, headlights, and taillights, giving it a fresh, futuristic look without sacrificing its timeless appeal. After all, the G-Class is known for its ability to turn heads, and the 2025 model promises to make a statement wherever you take it. Rumors suggest a redesigned rear end for more efficient aerodynamics, but rest assured, it will do so tastefully, staying true to the classic G-Class form we all know and love. Uncompromising off-road DNA, make no mistake, the 2025 G-Class is still a G-Class at its core. Mercedes understands that the legacy of this vehicle rests on its unwavering off-road capabilities. From its body-on-frame construction to its 3 locking differentials and a ground clearance that rivals some of the most extreme off-roaders, the 2025 G-Class is built for the untamed wilderness. It's a true companion for those who refuse to be limited by roads, trails, or the wildest of landscapes. The EQG specifically promises to push the boundaries of electric off-roading. Mercedes has taken the concept a step further with innovative features like a tank turn. This exciting capability, achieved through its 4 individual wheel motors, allows the EQG to turn in place like a tank, a significant advantage in tight off-road situations. A luxurious sanctuary, wherever you go. Inside, the 2025 G-Class delivers a perfect balance of ruggedness and refinement. From premium materials to the latest in vehicle technologies, the cabin is designed to indulge your senses and provide exceptional comfort, even on the longest expeditions. Expect spacious, supportive seats, an abundance of cutting-edge tech features, and an ambience that exudes modern luxury. Your adventures don't have to mean sacrificing creature comforts. The infotainment system will undoubtedly see significant upgrades, featuring a larger, more intuitive touchscreen, enhanced voice control, and a suite of connectivity features for seamless integration with your digital life. Whether you're streaming your favorite expedition soundtrack or navigating remote locations, the 2025 G-Class cockpit has everything to keep you connected and entertained. A shift in power. While the V8 engine has been a staple of the G-Class for generations, it seems the 2025 model is ready to take a different approach. The EQG will usher in the era of electric performance, and rumors suggest the traditional gas-powered versions could ditch the V8 in favor of a more fuel-efficient inline-6 with mild hybrid technology. Expect a boost in efficiency and seamless power delivery, proving that sustainable performance and adventure can go hand in hand. The future of luxury off-roading. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is poised to redefine the segment. It's a vehicle that respects its past while boldly embracing innovation. Whether your journeys lead you through sprawling deserts, snow-capped mountains, or lush jungles, the 2025 G-Class will be your steadfast companion, capable of conquering it all in style.